Alright, so this is just gonna be a quick video of how I put some fog lights in on a new body Challenger. So first, you gotta get the bumper off. So a 10mm bolt up top, there's one in the middle, and there's one at this bottom corner right here. And of course the push pins in the fender liner. But after that, you got a bunch of 7mm screws at the bottom and like 6 or so push pins at the top. Once you got all of that out, you take your bumper out, you get to the actual fog light cover. It's gonna be these 3 little push-in tabs. Just knock those out with a flathead, or get you some cutters like I had to cut them out. Depending on what you're working on, you might want to clean some stuff out. You never know what you'll find in there. So get that clean. After that, you get your new fog lights. They snap in place. Sometimes they'll be a little tough to do, but it's like 3 snaps on the actual fog light, and then the same 3 for the cover. After that, you're good to go. It comes with a wiring kit, so just wire it however you want, and now you got fog lights.